Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making some vegan tacos and here are my ingredients that I'll be using. I know it seems like a lot, but if you think of tacos, yeah, it's like stocking blocks. So those are my little wrap. And yes, here are the rest of my ingredients. And that's it. Well, I wanted to really zoom in and show you guys these two sauce. Yeah, one is barbecue and one is all purpose, like a soy sauce alternative. So yeah, here is my large mushroom. I used two, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them up really small, right? I didn't want them in chunks. I prefer them to be small. Yeah, it just makes it easier. And Vibes Fam, I'm going to season my mushroom. You guys know I love to season, so not because it's vegan it don't change anything. So I added some jerk seasoning, powdered jerk seasoning, and now I'm going in with the soy sauce alternative, the all-purpose vegan sauce, and I'm adding some salt. And then you want to go ahead and just rub that in, and it smells so good, by the way. So yeah, that's it. So now add some oil to the pot, and then gets the sauteing. So yes, I added some bell peppers, all the colors, some red onion and white onion. And now when we are done sauteing those, then we're going to add the seasoned mushroom. And Vibes Fam, I as you guys know, I like to saute my veggies first. It brings out the flavor like massively, like like so good, so good. So yes, this, please, it is needed. It makes it taste so good. So we're adding a little bit of cumin powder, and I'm going in with some pepper flakes just for a little kick. You don't have to add that. You can use some black pepper if you want, but I wanted just a little more than a black pepper kick, right? And now I added some green onions, and then we're going to mix that up. So this does not take, the whole thing takes maybe 5 minutes to prepare. And this is it, Vibes Fam. Look at the beautification. Look at it looking good, and it tastes even better. So now I'm going to squeeze one lime. Well, I'm going to use half of it. Is it half? Yes, I think it's half because this one was really juicy. And here I have half cup of vegan mayo, and I'm adding a teaspoon of onion powder and some black pepper, salt, and lemon juice. I think it was like 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Just mix it and then taste it and see if it's to your liking, right? So this is so good. Like everything, you just want to add flavor to everything. It makes it taste better, right? So here I'm making a little tomato salsa. So I added some red onion that's chopped fine, and I'm adding some cucumber as well, diced fine as well, and I'm adding a little bit of yellow bell pepper or green sweet pepper, sorry, a little salt, and give it a mix. And yes, I'm going to add a little bit of lime juice, just a teaspoon. So mix that up and taste it and see if it's to your liking. Vibes Fam, I'm telling you, all of this comes together. Like it tastes so good, so good. So set that aside, and now we're going to work on our avocado, right? So you want to get one that's really ripe, and then we're going to dissect it. So yeah, just use a spoon and scrape out the avocado, right? I'm going to use, yeah, just one avocado. So depending on how many people you're feeding, just do your thing. So we're going to, after we finish with taking out the avocado, then we're going to mash it up with a fork No, not a spoon, a fork. So you want to mash it up, right? And then, of course, we won't just leave it like that, right? We're going to add some more flavor. So here I chopped up some red onion really fine, and I added some black pepper. And of course, with this, with guacamole, you need some lime juice. It helps to keep the avocado from going dark. So yeah, don't leave out the lime juice. Trust me, it don't let it taste anyway. And of course, add some salt to taste and mix that up. And then that's gonna be you taste everything as you go along, VYBZ fam, because you need to make sure it tastes good. So now let's look at everything. So yes, the mushroom, my nice seasoned mayo, my salsa, some chopped up lettuce. Yes, you need some lettuce. And now we're going to construct. So I put my wrap in the oven just to warm it up a little bit. So here I'm going in with the mushroom. When I tell you this thing tastes good, as I said, make sure you add the cumin powder. It does some, like, man, listen. Yes, so there's no special way to do this. You put whatever you want to put first, do whatever you want to do, right? As long as you just put everything on the what do you call it? On the wrap, and that's you. So yeah, I did mushroom, then I added a little of the mayo, and then I went in with some salsa, and then I'm adding some lettuce, right? And then I'm gonna go in with some guac. So yeah, you can do it any which way. It really doesn't matter. But yeah, just go ahead and construct. And this is so nice on, like a Friday night when you don't want to do the most in terms of cooking. Yeah, very easy. Add a little more lettuce, and I chopped up my lettuce fine. Look at that, all done. And now we're going to I'm just going to show you another one. Do it another way, right? So this time I added the mushroom, then I added the salsa, right? Then I put the mayo. Ooh, and that thing tastes so good. And then I'm gonna go in with the lettuce. Yup. Add a little lettuce. And then, of course, we're gonna put the guac on top. Just so good. So yeah, as I said, no special way. Just do them how you want to, right? And then that's us. Oh, and I'm gonna top it off with some mushroom on the top. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And VYBZ fam, here we have it. Look on niceness. So good. So good. And a good. And it tastes as good as it looks. Honestly, it actually tastes better than it looks. Like, I was like, Yes, actually I did dance when I was eating this. And once I put on a dance, say it really good, right? It tasted amazing. Like, what? And yeah, I did it 3 different ways here to show you guys. Like, it really don't matter. You can top it with the guac, top it with the lettuce, top it with the mushrooms. It really don't matter which way. Just construct, right? As long as you get everything together. And as I said, season the mushroom. Like, that is key. Season, not because it's veggies, VYBZ fam. Season them. It makes everything taste better. So good. Like, look at the niceness. Come on. Look at the niceness. So yeah, VYBZ fam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.